I'm excited about this one today. This is the 7-quart Alva Maestro stainless steel stock pot. It was provided by the brand for a review. They have such nice products. I can't wait to get it out of the package. Let me show you. Everything Alva does, the packaging is even gorgeous. They really, really do take pride in their products. This is something I've really been looking forward to checking out. For those soups and stews and pastas and everything else. Okay, look at the presentation on this. This is heavy duty. Let's get it out of the box. It's very, very substantial pan we've got here. This is the 7-quart 5-ply stainless steel stock pot. It is the Alva Maestro. Very, very nicely done. This is a type of pot you're going to use on low heat. This is your simmering, this is your soup, your stews, your pasta sauce, things you can use with low heat. Let's call your attention to the measurements here on the inside so you can easily see how much you have in this pot. Love the substantial handles because when you're making that big pot of stew or big pot of soup, you're going to want to know that you have some good handles on either side to move that thing around. The Alva Maestro cleans up simply and easily by hand washing. I do not recommend putting this in the dishwasher. We're doing some light sauteing of our vegetables. We're going to make a big pot of chicken potato vegetable soup. We're making a big pot. Okay, we got it all in there. Look how much that holds. We're not even to capacity. We're only at 4 quarts right now. Okay, some points that I want to make about this pot. It's a 5-ply clad stainless steel. So this is going to give you really even heat distribution from the base all the way to the side. So not as many hot spots, really don't have any sticking to the bottom. Less scorching, won't need to stir it as often. And then the other thing I really, really love about this pot is that it's PTFE, PFOA, and PFAs free. So you don't have all those weird chemical coatings. This stock pot is a non-chemical coating option. Love the size of this. It just feels good to cook in something nice like this pot. Remember that this works on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. This is a gas stove top, but it's very versatile if you have those other types of heating sources. So this is built to last. It has a lifetime warranty. Now that we've got it simmering, we're going to turn down the heat a little bit and let it do its thing. We're going to focus in on that venting there. That is so nice not to have to keep coming back and forth. You don't have to stir this as often. You don't have to mess with the lid and hope that it's not overflowing. Also, another thing that's important to remember is that this can go from stovetop to oven if your recipe calls for it. It can be in as high as a 500-degree oven. So that's a plus as well. Look at that venting. That's awesome. This is the Alva Maestro stainless steel 7-quart stock pot. Check it out. This would make a great gift for someone you love, for the cook in your life, or just for yourself. Thank you to the brand for the sample, and thank you for watching.